Good morning, sir.
Nice day to work.
Yes, absolutely. How are you today?
Not very good.
Michael.
Michael. Nice to meet you, Michael.
Well, hopefully we can make your day a little bit better.
When you get to be 91, things happen.
Yeah, that makes sense. Well, I mean, hopefully.
I'm amazed at the instruments that people got on these cars. Driving across Plum Creek.
The winner.
Skid steer loader.
What is that?
Well, that's a tractor that they use for doing all kinds of jobs.
Oh, okay,
They
right
got
on.
little sticks that go back and forth, but they're big machines.
Yeah.
Okay, you gave me that. All right.
Yeah, I gave you a 10. Yep. Good to go.
Boy, this works well. Michael, you're a magician.
Yes, indeed. Well, I appreciate you, sir. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call.
Have a good day.
Take care, brother.